Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can make your delicious crispy waffle. And you can serve with your favorite syrup or fruits. So let's check the taste. It's very easy recipe I'm come to show you. Wow, you can hear the small crispy inside. It tastes very yummy. So let's start. I'm going to sieve the dry ingredients. That's the flour. You add your salt to it. You add your baking powder to it. Then you sieve it nicely. It's for breakfast recipe, so it's easy to make it. And then you add your sugar to it. So you mix all together. Then you add your nutmeg. Also, after that you mix it. Let be sit aside. You put it aside. Let's mix the liquid ingredient. This is my milk. Add the eggs. I'm using 2. Add the vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Add the melt butter. You need to melt it before you can add it. Not hot, because you know the egg is already inside. So if you add the hot one, you can see your egg cannot be good for you. So you mix until all combined. Then you add it to your dry ingredient. That's the flour, the thing you mix it. You add it to it and you mix it nice, because this form is like you are making cake. So you mix until all combined. Then you add orange zest. This orange skin, simple orange skin. You grate it, you add a small to it, not too much. That give you flavor. If you have pineapple flavor, you can add it, but this one tastes very yummy. So the mix is okay. Let be sit aside. So you grease your waffle iron. So I grease with butter. So you should be careful with this part because it's iron and it's heat and you are adding butter to it, so you're supposed to be careful. And you pour your mixed butter to it. You pour it, not too much. Cover it for 5 minutes. So when it's ready, you can see the red there will change to green. That means it's ready. Wow, after 5 minutes, check how golden brown nice color is to look. So remove it. Continue the same process until all finished. Eat with your favorite syrup and garnish with your favorite fruits. Enjoy! Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.